Hello everyone, welcome to Gun and Coffee. Here we have a Delonghi magnifica espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a lot of work. We basically replaced the water pump, and then we found that the thermoblocl needed to be replaced. This one was being corroded over here and it was not holding up the pressure. We also did a tune-up on the espresso machine, replacing the group head, the brew unit of the machine. We cleaning pretty much everything inside, and just got the machine over here. Pretty much clean everything inside here of the spouts, as well as replace the o-ring from the generator, de-scanning the machine, lubricating the transmission, and yeah, we did a lot of work with this machine. So start with 1 shot of espresso and test out the machine. Then we're gonna use hot water and steam. Good water flow coming out of the machine, good color and good crema. 1.5 ounces of water, which is perfect. Water working perfectly fine, as you can see, a nice steady stream with good temperature. And now let's test the steamer. Nice strong steam with really good temperature, working perfectly fine. And there you have it, Delonghi Magnifica working once again. So thank you for borrowing Gun and Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.